Hey, my name is Mr. Mann. I teach at Plant High School over here for the year 2020, 2021. I'm a technology teacher. I teach web design at all three levels in both second and third period, probably my most exciting class. Kids really like that. It's levels 1, 2, and 3. We work with Dreamweaver and some Adobe products on that class. I also teach accounting, levels 1, 2, and 3. And we teach QuickBooks in the third level a little bit, so it's a lot of fun and get a lot of nice kids. Then I am also teaching OJT, and that's an opportunity for your student to get a job and maybe make some money. That's always a good thing, to make that money. So I monitor that and make sure they turn in their time cards and so forth. This is my going on my 19th year at Plant High School. I just love it here, and I hope to see you at open house. So we'll talk to you later.